Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can fix the database connection error with localhost on your WordPress site. So let's get right into it. Now, I won't be doing anything on my screen simply because I do not have access to the needed tools, because I do not run my own site, and I do not have the paid business plan to launch my own site to actually use it. Now, the way that you can fix anything regarding your database is going to the phpMyAdmin on your WordPress site. The way that you access this is if you're hosting a site on localhost, you can just in your URL tab at the top of your browser enter localhost/phpMyAdmin, and that'll take you to the phpMyAdmin page. Here you need to find a couple of different things. Firstly, you need to locate your WordPress database. Just go into the file. It should say WP. If it is the standard default one, that should be your WordPress database for your site. And once you go there, you should be able to find the WordPress or the wp-myconfig or wp-config.php file. Just enter that, and then there you need to check a couple of different things. Now, for your username, it should be whatever username you're using, and for the password, if you're running it on localhost, it should be blank. If it has any text in it, and you should find it under the define command for your WordPress username or WordPress user and WordPress password. It's usually defined in parentheses and then in not exclamation points or quotation points or asterisks, whatever they are. You should find WP_pass, and then in the other part of the parentheses you should find your password. If the other part is empty, that should be good, and your password will be in an empty string, and that might give your localhost access. Now, if that doesn't work, what you also need to check is which database credentials you are using. Under WP_host, that should be selected as localhost. So if it is any other IP, you can, I'm pretty sure, enter your own IP, and that should work fine. However, localhost should be the thing that is entered over there, and then you should try and reload that. Now, there is also a database repair tool under the WordPress phpMyAdmin, which I don't know how to access specifically, so I do apologize for that. However, I hope I explained some of these fixes well enough to you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.